Meet the Walker S2, the first autonomous battery-swapping robot. Imagine a world where robots can take care of themselves, running non-stop without any human intervention. This isn't a distant dream, but a reality that China has just unveiled with the Walker S2, a humanoid robot that can autonomously swap its own batteries. But here's where it gets controversial. This technology could revolutionize industries, but it also raises questions about job displacement and the future of human labor. Let's dive in and explore this groundbreaking innovation. The Walker S2, developed by the Chinese company UBTECH, is a marvel of modern engineering. Standing at 5 feet 3 inches, 162 centimeters tall, and weighing 95 pounds, 43 kilograms. This robot is roughly the size and weight of a small adult. It's designed to operate in various settings, from factories to public venues, where it can greet customers or perform other tasks. The Walker S2 is equipped with a 48-volt lithium battery in a dual battery system, allowing it to walk for 2 hours or stand for 4 hours on a single charge. Once the battery is depleted, it takes about 90 minutes to fully recharge. But this is the part most people miss. The real magic happens when the battery needs to be swapped. Unlike other robots that require human intervention, the Walker S2 can handle this task all by itself. In a promotional video released on July 17th, the Walker S2 demonstrates its self-sufficiency. The robot approaches a battery charging station, uses its arms to remove the depleted battery pack from its back, and places it into an empty slot to recharge. It then retrieves a fresh battery pack from the unit and inserts it into its own port, all without any human assistance. This autonomous battery swapping feature is a world first, according to UBTECH representatives. The robot can also monitor its own power levels and decide whether to swap out a battery or charge based on the priority of its tasks. This level of autonomy is a game changer, but it also sparks a heated debate. The Walker S2 is designed with 20 degrees of freedom, meaning it has 20 different ways its joints or mechanisms can move. This makes it incredibly versatile and capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Additionally, it is compatible with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless integration into various environments. So, what do you think? Is this the future of robotics? Or are we heading down a slippery slope where machines replace human jobs? The Walker S2 is undoubtedly a remarkable achievement, but it also forces us to confront some challenging questions about the role of technology in our society. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss the implications of this groundbreaking innovation. 2025, robot self-battery swap shocks the world. Dark factories future. Are we witnessing the dawn of a world where robots might not need us at all? In a remarkable demonstration, it seems to blur the lines between science fiction and reality. The company UBTECH has introduced a groundbreaking feature in its bipedal Walker S2 robot, the ability to autonomously change its own battery. This innovative capability addresses a significant challenge in the robotics industry: battery life. As we inch closer to a future brimming with humanoid robots meticulously managing industrial tasks, this advancement signals a shift towards a model of continuous, uninterrupted labor. The Walker S2, which weighs 95 pounds, can function theoretically around the clock, making it a key player in fully automated dark factories that never require illumination or human presence. The intriguing video showcases the robot's rather unconventional movements as it approaches a designated battery rack. With an impressive display of coordination, it adeptly replaces one of its 2 battery packs before continuing its operations without missing a beat. This captivating demonstration raises pressing questions about the future of human employment in sectors increasingly populated by advanced machinery. Robots are pushing boundaries. They are not only capable of cooking elaborate meals, but have also become adept at sorting packages with precision. If machines are now able to swap their own batteries, what other jobs traditionally held by humans might soon be at risk of becoming obsolete? UBTECH's battery technology is equally impressive, requiring only 90 minutes to achieve a full charge. The Walker S2 robot can walk for approximately 2 hours or remain stationary for around 4 hours, showcasing its operational versatility. The emergence of humanoid robots like Walker S2 is indicative of a broader trend, particularly prevalent in China, where companies such as UBTECH are introducing more cost-effective bipedal robots to the market. It's important to note that this future is not just a distant possibility. Many organizations have begun integrating these robots into their warehouses and factories, marking the onset of a machine-dominated labor landscape. As these robots continue to evolve, with capabilities such as autonomous battery replacement, the days of routine factory labor may be numbered. Can we truly embrace this future of automation? Or should we be hesitant about the impact on human jobs? The advancements in robot technology prompt us to consider the evolving role of humans in the workforce and foster discussions on what responsibilities may soon be relegated to machines. What are your thoughts? Will robots enhance our work or threaten our livelihoods? We'd love to hear your perspective. Revolutionary robot. Watch Walker S2 swap batteries for 24/7 operation. Imagine a world where robots never have to stop working. That's the reality UBTECH is bringing us with the Walker S2, the first humanoid robot capable of autonomous battery swapping. Until now, robots had to be tethered to a power source or spend precious downtime charging. But here's where it gets controversial. What does this mean for the future of human labor? And this is the part most people miss. The Walker S2 isn't just a gadget. It's a game changer for industries worldwide. This groundbreaking robot has dual batteries and the ability to swap out its own power source, much like electric vehicles using battery swapping stations. Picture this. Instead of waiting for a recharge, the Walker S2 simply heads to a swap station in an industrial facility, twists its torso, and uses its tool-equipped arms to replace its depleted battery with a fresh one. It's a seamless process that takes just minutes, allowing the robot to return to its workstation with minimal downtime. The Walker S2's design is not just about convenience. It's about maximizing productivity. With 24/7 operation capabilities, the potential for increased efficiency in manufacturing and other industries is immense. The robot's vision cameras will autonomously detect fully charged battery packs, making the swapping process a breeze. And with the ability to monitor battery health at swap stations, maintenance staff can ensure the robot fleet is always running at peak performance. UBTECH has yet to reveal all the details, but we can expect the Walker S2 to stand around 170 centimeters, 5.6 feet tall, with a human-like walking gait and a full-color display on its face to provide status updates to human colleagues. It's a friendly touch that might just bridge the gap between man and machine. As we eagerly await more information on specs, pricing, and availability, one question remains. How will this technology shape the future of work? Will robots like the Walker S2 take over jobs or create new opportunities? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start the conversation on the controversial yet exciting frontier of humanoid robotics.